Wow. Wow. Okay, hang on. Magically a mic will come to you. Yes, the magic has worked. Okay, I'm just going to say first of all, congratulations. As someone who's worked in the voice business for many years now, I know this is a great feeling. So, first question, Disney and Pixar. What does it mean for you to actually team up with them?
Hello everyone. Don't go by my voice today. I sound a bit like a man, but I swear Riley sounds like a little girl. But मेरे लिए I swear जब कहते हैं कि बचपन का सपना पूरा हुआ, it was exactly that for me because Disney and Pixar is all that I've grown up watching. And you know these movies, people say कि बच्चों की picture है, but then when you watch it as an adult for the second time, you actually understand so much more. And especially Inside Out 2, I think my favorite lesson from this film, actually from part 1, was that हम सोचते हैं कि हमें हमेशा पॉजिटिव रहना है, खुश रहना है, जॉय 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 सब कहते हैं कि दैट्स द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट इमोशन, बट joy doesn't come out until all the other emotions are there with it as well. And I think that's what makes us human. And as Vikram sir said, everyone, you know, maa, baap, bacche, everyone goes through this. It's the most relatable film in the world. And it was just such a pleasure and a joy to be a part of this film.
I love it. So many emotions coming out today. Okay, so my next question you already kind of covered, but I'm still going to ask it to you. Yeah, what is the most appealing thing about Inside Out and Inside Out 2 for you?
I think just the humaneness of it, the fact that at every moment you're constantly feeling some emotion. You know, you're always feeling something. That's what grounds you. That's what brings you back here. And for me, the challenge as well. मैंने कभी ऐसा नहीं किया. You know, I've only voiced myself in films, and I've been with a character for so many months, and then to come here and play something I don't know the backstory of, I don't know कि कैसा होगा, what's going to happen. That was a big challenge for me and a real honor. So I'm very grateful.
I believe that you and the cool folk at Disney and Pixar have teamed up to give us something extremely unique and special today. क्या बनाया है आपने AP हमें बताइए.
काफी खिचड़ी बनाई है, which I hope you'll enjoy. I'm sitting at embarrassment right now, which is a perfect seat for me. But please feel joy for me.
All right, so we're going to take a seat. Eyes on the screen, please. A very special presentation.
I thought way more than I thought.
You know, teenage Ananya is like a roller coaster of emotions. So I'd love to ask you कि
Teenage
अभी जो हुआ था परसों पिछले साल, तो उस दौर में से कौन से ऐसे इमोशंस थे जो चैनल करने पड़े थे राइली को इस दौर के लिए?
I mean, my only thing was when they asked me to play Riley, I was like, my voice just cracked. Like last year, I don't sound like a kid anymore. So वो थोड़ा tough था to get the little kid voice out. But the main emotion that I felt, I think, to play Riley was joy. I needed to keep the inner child alive, so joy.
You know what I loved about Inside Out when it first released is that उस दौर में in 2015, you spoke about mental health like nobody else did to us. So I want to give Inside Out a round of applause because it was so amazing. I want to ask you, जब emotional खिचड़ी होती है तो क्या होता है? Okay, do you channel a time of your life when there was an emotional खिचड़ी?
ये सभी होता है मेरे साथ हर रोज ही होता है. Emotional खिचड़ी चल रही है मेरे दिमाग में. But as I said at the start, कि it's important to feel what you're feeling. I don't think जैसे आपने जेलों में देखा, they try to suppress certain feelings and that's never right. So I don't think you should suppress anything. अगर आपको sadness feel हो रहा है तो sad feel करो. अगर आप embarrassed हो तो आप embarrassed हो. And just feel whatever you're feeling and eventually that wave will ride.
Fantastic. Of course, there are lots of emotions and there are new emotions in Inside Out too. I saw anxiety bringing a bunch of bags and dropping them, and then inside me I was just
She's
like,
never gonna leave it.
yeah, like also very familiar. Thanks so much, Bikram. And then there was of course embarrassment, who's my cutest. So I'm going to ask you, most relatable emotions for you from Inside Out too.
Definitely disgust and embarrassment for sure. I think I'm like dressed like embarrassment today.
Not at all, not at all. But I must ask you, if your friends were emotions, who would which emotion be?
Ooh, Suhana would definitely be joy for sure. Shania would be anger because she used to say don't angry me when we were little. And I would say maybe Ori is like disgust. I would say Ori is always like, you know how it is.
Renito.
Exactly.
Absolutely. So let's play a fun game because that's why we're here. There's going to be an amazing wheel of emotions coming up on the stage. Could you please bring it up and place it right here in between the two of us? And I'd like to request you to get on the other side. So it's pretty self-explanatory. There are all of these emotions on this board. You're going to spin the wheel as many times as you like. At some point we will stop and we might actually get your friends to come up on stage and do some of this. Look closely. Alright? So let's do it once and then I'll ask you a question. Alright, there she's doing it.
Worst spin ever.
The next one's going to be a little more energetic, hopefully.
Stop.
Stop!
Not
Stop!
stopping.
Stop! Okay, anxiety, anger, sadness, joy, fear, envy, ennui. Okay. Is she going to actually stop it with her hand? Envy! Alright, okay. So, talk to us about envy. Envy, Irsha, is that right? Okay.
The last time was last night. जब मैं बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट डाइट पर हूँ और मेरे सारे दोस्त बटर चिकन खा रहे थे मुझे बहुत एनवी हुआ था
I can imagine. That's a horrible feeling. Did they actually video call you? How do you know?
They were with me. I had to smell the butter chicken.
Oh no, that's horrible.
Yes, और फिर उसके बाद मूंग दाल का हलवा भी आया ना. I was just like.
और मैं खा रही हूँ रागी की भाकरी.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
So envy for sure.
All right, go for it.
I'm not strong.
Come on, let's do it. Oh, that was a better spin. Okay, the thing is that when you spin it hard, it takes longer for it to
Just stop. Yeah, I should sing a song.
Yeah, I was just thinking.
So, what's up, guys?
How's it going? We're gonna wait for this to get done. And oh, what fun!
Oh, like right now. Oh, जब Babs मेरे photo ले रहे थे बाहर, I tripped a little bit and I had to hold on to Vikram sir, so that was a bit embarrassing.
That was a bit embarrassing.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. And one more.
Last one. And then some of my friends are gonna do it.
Come on, are you ready?
I think these two were the main ones. Why did I say disgust? Okay. Did I say disgust already?
No.
Disgust.
Disgust.
तो मेरा एक छोटा बच्चा आया है, my doggy Riot, और मुझे हर रोज उसकी सुसु पोटी साफ करनी है. So little disgust is there, but lots of प्यार is also.
I love it. She was so good with this. Give her a round of applause, guys. That was awesome.
तो मुझे अकेले नहीं खेलना है. I want to nominate
हाँ जी.
a contestant.
Go for it.
Nayandeep.
Nayandeep, come on.
Then you choose one out.
Okay, done.
Lots of energy.
Come, sweetheart.
You're dressed like anxiety, but let's see what you get. Hi, hi.
नाश्ता नहीं किया
Oh, wow.
Oh, how did that
How did that
happen?
happen?
Cheating. Okay, anxiety. Talk to us about, this really talked about emotion.
So a lot of people actually know because I put it out a few years ago, जब COVID चल रहा था, that I actually suffer from anxiety, and I have this issue that because COVID triggered that emotion in me, I have a fear of losing a loved one. Touchwood, I haven't, but that fear is very strong, and it gives you a lot of anxiety. I've been through multiple anxiety attacks during COVID because of whatever I was reading. So that's one. And I won't lie, but parso I had an anxiety attack. I'm not gonna name that person a PR. But I had a fight with that person, and not you. I had a fight with that person, and I felt terribly small, and I was almost gonna. I wrote something really like out of anxiety, out of upsetness, sadness, anger. It was a mix of all emotions, and I almost was gonna put it up. But I don't know what happened. My mother just entered my office that day out of the blue and said, "Yeah, well, are you okay?" And I'm like, "Yeah, I'm gonna write this, and this is done. I'm gonna leave journalism, XYZ, whatever." And it was to that point, and then I didn't post it.
हर इमोशन को अवॉइड ही करती हूँ. Thank you so much.
Give it a good
आइए.
spin. Seats down. थोड़ा मत देना.
बहुत बढ़िया.
सुनसान
Fine, this is fine.
किसी को अंताक्षरी खेलनी है
Oh wow.
Really not done. It's really gone now.
I don't know, something is going faster and faster. Are we breathing too hard next to it? What?
Choose envy or
Ennui.
I don't know how to say that.
Ennui या envy? Envy? बताइए समीना जी, आपको envy या ईर्ष्या कब महसूस होता है?
when I'm actually prepared for some interview and then later on when I see some other journalists doing much better job in terms of asking the questions and I feel like शायद से अगर मैंने ये पूछ लिया होता मुझे अच्छा जवाब मिल गया होता from the actor. So I feel like तभी मुझे थोड़ा envious feel होता है and then I keep on hiding my questions कि नहीं मुझे नहीं बताना है but that question is asked already and then I feel like oh shit यार I missed on this one. That is the time I feel like envious.
होता है
होता है.
Thank you.
Thank you, my friends from the media who did this for us. It's very brave of you to come and be a part of our event today.
I
At
felt
this
good
point-
asking them questions for a change.
Yeah, that was joy. That was absolute joy.
Joy.
All right, can we please ask our friends to take the wheel back? Thank you so much. और मैं दरख्वास्त
Product, where you talk about so positive and you have tried and you have weighed through your ways of, social media, trolling and all. What is that one emotion as an actress that you face the most when you're presenting yourself?
Thank you for bringing up So Positive. Actually, another important factor when I was, asked to play Riley, I realized that it tied into a lot with what I've been speaking about for so many years when it comes to positivity. And as I said, कि हम सिर्फ ऐसे toxic positive नहीं हो सकते. We have to feel all the emotions. There has to be sadness to balance that out. But definitely, as a young actor who started out when she was 18, there's always been fear, and there always will be fear. So I think putting yourself out there can be scary, and there's fear in that. But someone once told me that, by not being yourself, you might get 100 people to like you. But by being yourself, even if 5 people like you in the long run, that's way more fulfilling. So that's what I try to go by. So that will give me joy. So fear and joy.
Thank you. Fear.
इमोशन क्या है, हमने क्या डायलॉग बोला है और कैसे लिप सिंक करना है. लेकिन जब हम एक ऐसे किरदार के लिए डब करते हैं जो कि एक कार्टून कैरेक्टर है, बहुत पॉपुलर है, तो ये एक्सपीरियंस कितना डिफिकल्ट था आपके लिए या आसान था, क्योंकि ये आपके लिए नया था. तो पहले मैं ये जानना चाहूँगा.
आई थिंक जब मैं कैरेक्टर के लिए करती हूँ, जो मैंने खुद प्ले किया है, बहुत ओवर थिंकिंग होती है उस टाइम, कि हमें बैक स्टोरी के बारे में सोचना है. हमने उस दिन जब हम सेट पे थे, हमने क्या इमोशन पिच किया था, बहुत फिनेस होता है उसमें. और व्हेन आई वाज डबिंग फॉर दिस, मैंने कोशिश की कि मैं वो लाऊं, बट व्हेन आई रियलाइज दैट आई एम प्लेइंग अ टीनेज गर्ल, आई हैड टू जस्ट थिंक ऑफ दैट कि मैं कैसी थी जब व्हेन आई वाज अ टीनेजर, मेरी वॉइस कैसी थी, व्हेन आई वाज फीलिंग सर्टेन इमोशंस, क्या निकलता था. एंड आई थिंक रिमेंबरिंग जस्ट द एज ऑफ द कैरेक्टर, एंड जितना भी आप रिसर्च कर सकते हो, लाइक आई वॉच्ड इनसाइड आउट द फर्स्ट पार्ट अगेन to get a little bit backstory of course, but that was as much as I could do. But मुझे actually बहुत मजा आया. I felt very free. I wasn't tied into कि मुझे ये करना है, वो करना है. I felt very free.
और अगर मैं आपके फेवरेट कार्टून कैरेक्टर्स की बात करूं, बचपन से कौन से कैरेक्टर्स देख के आप बड़ी हुई, किन्हें बहुत ज़्यादा आपने एंजॉय किया है?
मुझे फाइंडिंग नीमो बहुत पसंद है, और मुझे लायन किंग बहुत पसंद है, पर मुझे स्कार बहुत पसंद है लायन किंग में. मुझे उसकी बैक स्टोरी जाननी है कि स्कार के साथ क्या हुआ था जब वो बच्चा था.
Well, thank you so much, Ravi ji, and thank you so much everybody for coming out today. Don't forget, Inside Out 2 is going to be in the theaters on the 14th.
आई थिंक जैसे आपने कहा कि आजकल वो बच्चे घर पर बैठते हैं, फिल्म देखते हैं, तो अगर फिल्में देख रहे हैं तो आई होप ऐसी फिल्में देखें जहाँ वो कुछ सीख सकते हैं लाइफ के बारे में. क्योंकि आई रिमेंबर मैंने ये पिक्चर देखी थी जब मैं अमेरिका में थी, और मैं मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड के साथ मैंने देखी थी, सुहाना के साथ, एंड आई थिंक आई वाज 17 years old, और मुझे बहुत प्यारी फिल्म लगी. आई फेल वेरी इमोशनल, बहुत कनेक्ट हुआ. तो आई होप कि जो युवा पीढ़ी है, जो बच्चे हैं आजकल के, दे वॉच दिस फिल्म बिकॉज दे अंडरस्टैंड सो मच अबाउट लाइफ एंड characters that have influenced me. Cartoon. What? Did someone say something? I think I can't think of one. Do you have? I think
Characters that have influenced.
I'm trying to think. There's so many. No, I think it's more like Simba, who had to, fight for himself and to make his place in the world. Yeah, and so people had expectations from him to just be his own person. Yeah, Simba.